Hi.
Do you hear me?
Yes.
Oh, hi, Devon.
Yeah.
Yes, happy Tuesday. How are you?
I'm good. How about you?
Yes, me too. Thank you so much for asking.
So, are you at home?
Right,
Are you
yes.
at home
Well,
now?
yeah,
Ah,
yes,
because of
right. I
the
have to
yes,
work at home
right.
starting today.
Yes, right. Your
Mm-hmm.
government closed the street and then all the business area, right?
Mm-hmm. Right. Every business establishments as well. So I think there will be
Yes.
a problem. Yes, as
Yes, right.
well. Yes, but of
Well,
course we cannot do anything about that. We have to comply.
yes, right. Actually, yeah, I'm happy to see you again. So,
Aha.
I
Me
think
too. Me too.
the video is a little bit slow, but I can hear you very clearly.
My face is delayed,
But
right?
it's okay. And then I can see your
Ah, okay.
daughter's face over there behind you.
Right, right.
Very good.
Yeah. So she's not
Yeah.
yet sleeping. She's waiting for me.
Okay, okay.
Mm,
This is will be
right.
your last class, right?
Mm. Last class?
It is your last class, right?
No, 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 no. I still have 1 hour.
Ah, 1 hour, 1 more hour. Okay.
One
Shut
hour
up.
more. Yes, after this class. Right.
Okay.
Yes. Okay. Well, then, have you prepared an article for today's class?
Oh, yes, right. The number 1018, 1018.
Wow. What's the title?
The title is The Danger of Distraction,
All
Science
right.
and
Could you please
Technology.
read it first? My book.
Okay. Okay.
Right,
The
right. My book
number,
is a bit slow
yeah,
to load.
it's okay.
Mhm.
The number is 1018.
Okay.
Okay, let me read the book
Okay.
first. Okay.
Yes,
Our
please.
brains process millions of bits of information each second, assessing what's useful and filtering out what's not. Even while you are reading these words, your brain is hard to at work, blocking irrelevant visually. The ticking of ticking of the clock on the wall or the conversation on the other side of the room, perhaps. So you can focus on the task at hand. Sometimes you need to split your attention between a few different points, but ultimately, your brains are not wired for multitasking. Even if it just takes 10 minutes to reply to your boss's email while you're working on a big report. The lapse in concentration could send you back up to 25 minutes. Besides, hurting your performance and slowing you down, scientists at the Ohio State University now say distractions can impact your memory in ways you don't even realize. For a study published in the Journal of Experimental Psychology, Human Perception and Performance, the team presented 26 participants with a computer screen that depicted four blank squares. Suddenly, all four squares were colored in, but only one had a white outline. The participants had less than the blanks of an eye to look at the colored squares before the screen went blank. Then they had to identify the color of the square outlined in white. They could do that by selecting the color on a color wheel and rating their confidence in their answer. But that wasn't the only challenge. To make things more difficult, Gollum tried to distract participants by surrounding one of the unlined squares with four white dots. Most of the time, the participants were able to effectively ignore the distracting dots, About 20 to 30% of the time, they do report the color of the distractor square instead of the correct target square, a mistake the researchers call the swapping error. Interestingly, the participants who made the swapping errors reported in incorrect color with just as much confidence as the correct color. Column said, even stranger was the second most common type of error, which researchers call the repulsion errors. In this error, participants would almost get the color right, but they just shifted away from the color that distracted them. For example, if the correct color were green and the distracting color orange, participants would click on the blue-green area of the wheel, close to the original color, but further away from the distracting color. It was like they were unconsciously over overcompensating for the distracting. It wasn't a conscious strategy, but it still challenged what they reported, she said. It still suggests even if you are not making the big errors, there can still be subtle, profound effects from a distractor. Jiang Chen, the study's lead author, said the research raised questions about memory. Could it be that if distraction happens with the right timing, you might adopt elements from the distraction into the thing you think you remember? She said in a press release. This phenomenon could help to explain all sorts of memory glitch from everyday issues. Did I remember to lock the door? To more critical concerns like eyewitness testimony. So, slow down and stay focused on one task at a time. Even more important, remind yourself that your memory isn't perfect. You might think you remember everything clear as day, but it's a good idea to double check just in case. Rachel,
Mm-hmm. Right. Any questions about the vocabulary?
everything is okay.
All right. Well, then let's move on. How many participants joined the study about human perception and performance published in the Journal of Experimental Psychology?
Mm, how many participants? Okay,
Hmm.
26 participants for this experiment.
Mm-hmm. Right. Yes. And how did Gollum distract the participants?
Gollum. Actually, Gollum swapping error. They actually swapping the colors, which participants who made the
Mm-hmm.
swapping errors because the incorrect color. Okay,
Okay.
actually,
Yes.
yeah,
Swapping colors. What
yes,
else?
right.
Hmm.
Color in this. Let's get. Okay, I think. That's all.
Actually, Gollum
Yeah,
tried to distract the participants by surrounding
yeah.
one of the unoutlined squares with four white dots.
Okay, right.
Mm-hmm. Right. Yes. And what is repulsion error?
Oh, okay. Repulsion. The repulsion error
Mm-hmm.
in
Mm-hmm.
this error. In this error, participant would almost get the color right, but okay.
Mhm.
Other most common type of error which researchers call repulsion error. In this error, participants would almost get the color right, but they'd shifted away from the color that distracted them.
Mhm. Right.
Uh,
Yeah. So that is repulsion
Repulsion error.
error. Yes. And do you easily get distracted?
Yes, I think so. I usually get
Mm.
distracted by lots of things around me. So sometimes I think I
Mm.
couldn't focus on something for a very long time. So many
Oh.
times I realized during my dictation or watching TV or watching movies, I also try
Mhm.
to check my email and then try to news on my cell phone.
Oh.
Yeah, every 5 minutes or every
Mm.
10 minutes. I easily get
Mm.
bored.
I see. Also, you are. Yes,
Yeah,
actually distracted by a lot of things because you're doing a lot of things at the
yes,
same
right.
time.
Yes, right. I actually
Why?
even even while I'm driving my car, I usually
Mhm.
listen to the radio and also I'm checking the GPS and sometimes I also
Oh.
try to
Mhm.
call to someone and then have a conversation.
Wow, at the same time
Yes, right.
while driving?
Especially when I while driving, especially when I'm in traffic jam, I couldn't
Um.
bear the situation. So think
Mm,
I try to find a way to make my time meaningful.
mm, I see. Right. Yes. Well, at least, all right. I think
Yeah,
listening to music is okay, but having a call, wow.
yeah.
Maybe you are a very expert driver.
It's right. I think
Right.
so. Yeah, I've been
Yes.
driving for more than 20 years. Yeah,
20 years already.
yeah,
Yeah,
without
that's
any
why.
accident.
Oh. Oh, good. That means you're really a very careful and good driver.
Yes, right.
Yes. Mhm. So, what is the biggest distraction for you?
My biggest distraction for me at work is the relationship with my colleague or my boss, and sometimes with my
Mm-hmm.
partner. So most
Oh.
of for my job, many times or many cases I have to deal with or negotiate with lots of people around me. So
Mm-hmm.
the if the deal or the business is not going very well, then the I think I couldn't focus on my work because of that thing.
Mm-hmm.
And then I think about how
Yes.
to solve the situation wisely or easily. So that's my
Mm-hmm.
biggest
Right.
distraction issue.
Yes, of course, you are distracted. Yes, as
Yeah.
well. All right, because of that. Because things are not really going so well, especially if
Yes,
there is
right.
a problem.
Yes, right. Exactly.
Right. If there is a problem, oh no. Right. Yes. And how do you think we could improve our tendencies to be distracted?
I think the best way is you have some time for your meditation or yoga or Pilates. You can control your
Mm-hmm.
body and your mental by some mental
Mm-hmm.
training or physical training. So if you are good
Mm-hmm.
in meditation or yoga or Pilates, you can calm your mind and then try to focus on something.
Are you doing that?
Actually, I'm doing Pilates twice a week.
Oh,
Yeah, you know Pilates is
I
it's
see.
like
I
yoga,
know.
but yes, right,
Mhm.
more active than yoga, and more
Mhm.
guys join the Pilates classes.
Mm. Is it the same with women's Pilates?
Yes, right. I'm in the same group with the other women, and
Oh,
at
I thought
first,
you have a
I
different.
I I feel very embarrassed and uncomfortable walking a group of other women for the Pilates, but I easily can use
Mm.
to walk with them, exercise with them, and also
Mhm.
there are more guys here join the Pilates class at the moment, so it's very good. Yeah,
Oh, they like it.
yes, right. Actually, the if the number is
Oh.
the rate is 6-4, 6 women and 4 guys
Mhm. Wow, it's near.
for the one class. Very ideal balance. Hello, hello. Okay, bye bye.